Good evening. Well, it has been a largely dry, bright and breezy sort of weekend. Plenty of sunshine around. This was the picture Sunday afternoon in Merseyside. Not everywhere has seen quite so much blue sky around. In fact, if we take a look at the satellite image, you can see there's been a bit more cloud in the far southwest, the odd shower there, and there's been this cloud draped across parts of northeast Scotland and northeast England as well. But it's been largely dry once again. Now, this April is turning out to be a notably dry April. In fact, 7 of the last 10 Aprils have been significantly drier than average, and this April continues on that trend, particularly so across parts of central and southeast England, where some areas have had only about a third of the expected amount of rainfall that we would have seen by this stage in April. And really the forecast for the rest of this month, for many areas, little or even no rainfall at all in the forecast. We've got high pressure that's going to be dominating. That'll be sitting to the north of the UK and drifting its way southwards through the week ahead. For the rest of this evening and tonight then, most places looking dry with some long clear spells, but we've got a bit more cloud that's going to be drifting its way in from the east. Temperatures between about 4 to 7 degrees overnight in our towns and cities, but a touch colder than that in the countryside, perhaps low enough for just a touch of grass frost in a few prone spots. Through the day on Monday, lots of dry weather again, but we could well see a few showers pushing into eastern England in the morning, and during the afternoon 1 or 2 more cropping up as that cloud bubbles up with the daytime heating. Temperatures still 15 or 16 degrees for some southern areas, but always a few degrees cooler around those northeast coasts. And that's because the breeze is moving around that area of high pressure and it's coming in from a northeasterly direction. But the isobars are more widely spaced, so not as breezy as it has been through the weekend. Tuesday morning again starts with temperatures around 3 to 7 degrees, a little bit colder than that in the countryside. So a fresh start to the day, could be a touch of grass frost. Another predominantly dry day, but again a bit more cloud that'll be drifting its way slowly westwards through the day. It could bring 1 or 2 isolated showers, but most places staying dry. Temperatures only 9 in Aberdeen, but still up to about 17 in Cardiff. But if we head towards the middle part of the week, the air mass becomes a little bit colder and just pushes its way across more of the UK. So I think by the time we get to Wednesday, you will notice it will be cloudier and a slightly cooler day as well. The cloud tending to break up, so some sunny spells, particularly towards the west. And it's here we'll see temperatures again around about 14 or 15 degrees, but struggling to get out of double figures for parts of northeast Scotland and northeast England as well. So high pressure still sitting right across the UK now as we move through into Thursday, so squeezing away any of those showers really. I think it's looking dry across the board. Some sunny spells around for Thursday, but more cloud always drifting in around those east coasts. We'll start to see temperatures around about 11 degrees or so in the northeast, but up to about 15 or 16 across southern England and South Wales too. And no great changes towards the end of the week because high pressure is really sticking around into Friday too. Another largely dry day, a hint of something trying to move in from the Atlantic there. I do think though Friday predominantly dry once again, perhaps the odd shower across parts of Scotland. Again, variable amounts of cloud, some sunny spells breaking through, light winds for most of us, perhaps breezier through the English Channel, and temperatures around 11 to 15 degrees. It is going to be a dry end to a dry month. For now, it's back to Jo.